Dr. Rose from Natural Transplants. We are here with Zika at his 1-year follow-up. And Zika, look at all that hair. Wow.
Yes. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. I'm feeling great.
So let me see. Turn to the right and the left. Look at that hairline. That's killer.
Yeah. It turned out really, really good.
I'm super happy for you. And tell me, how has your life changed since you've gotten the hair that you wanted?
Oh, I feel so much better. More confident, obviously, but family and friends, they know the difference. They'd be like, wow, they're surprised. They're surprised too, so.
It looks amazing, and it really looks so natural. Like the hairline fits your face, and that's permanent hair. So
exactly,
you will have that for the duration of the hair life cycle. So that's amazing. Super happy for you. And this was your second procedure, just to get the density that we wanted, right?
Right. Exactly. Yeah.
All right. I think you're good for now. How do you feel?
I think I'm all set for now. So thank you so much.
It's our pleasure. All right, enjoy all that hair.
Yeah, will do. Thank you, doctor.
My pleasure. Okay, take care.
Take care.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.